a drink you can actually enjoy hot or cold, but I'm just going to share it with you cold so you can get an idea. You can make this ahead in a batch and then drink this throughout the day and sip on it kind of like a lemonade. So basically what you're going to do, if you want to get your full daily dozen serving of turmeric powder, which is 1 teaspoon, you're just going to combine in like a mason jar or any type of jar or beverage container that you prefer. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of the turmeric. And then we're going to do at least 1 teaspoon of the lemon juice powder. I would say maybe 1 or 2 teaspoons depending on how potent you want this beverage. We'll just do 1 teaspoon here. Okay. And then you don't have to sweeten this, but if you are really sensitive to the flavor of the turmeric, just adding a little bit of stevia extract or maple syrup or some sort of sweetener is just going to kind of help make this a little bit more palatable. So let's do about 4 to 6 drops of the stevia, or you can use this micro ingredients organic stevia powder, which they sell on Amazon, which is also a really great option. Okay, and then I'm just going to put a lid on this, give it a nice shake. Look, it makes this like beautiful golden colored drink. Just be careful you don't stain your clothes with this. And then put this into the refrigerator, let it chill, put it over ice, and sip on this throughout the day. The lemon helps cut the flavor of the turmeric and kind of just makes it just like more like a lemonade. So you can call it a turmeric lemonade. Now you can also drink this hot as well with hot water if you prefer. You can make this ahead of time and keep it in the refrigerator. Just take, you know, little sips of it throughout the day. But this is just a really great and easy way to get that turmeric as part of your daily dozen. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more daily dozen tips and tricks. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!